I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAFIT. Today's video is yoga for healthy limbs. Let's get started. Okay, stand up, nice and tall, your feet about your hip distance. Okay? And then inhale, bring your shoulders up, 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 up to the ears. And then exhale, release down. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, down. Inhale, really shoulders up, almost touching your shoulders, touching your ears. And exhale. Big inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Now, interlace your hands behind. And tuck your chin. And inhale, look up. And look down. And up. By doing this, we are creating flow, nice, good flow around your neck lymph. Up. And center. Now to the side, tilt your neck to the side, yes. Again, create a lot of lymph around this area, right? So by doing this, by tilting, we are creating nice flow around lymphs on your neck. And this is the other side again. And feel free to a little bit nod your neck if you want. And to the other side. And back to center. Okay, now inhale, bring your arms up and then one hand grab the opposite wrist. And inhale, exhale, stretch to the side. Make sure to bring a heel down, opposite heel down. Again, there are lymphs underneath your armpit, right? So by stretching this area, we are creating nice, good flow. Back to center. Inhale, switch your hands. Exhale, reach to the opposite side. Keep your shoulders down. So by doing nice, good, long side stretch, we are creating flow on your lymphs. Inhale, exhale, back to center. Okay, now bend armpit. No, sorry. Bend your elbow. Okay, so and you can stay there, or if you want, reach your hands. And keep your armpit stretch and open. You can stay there, and if you want, close, open, close, open, close, open, and release. Inhale, bring your arm, bend your elbow, and then again, if you prefer, stay there. If you want to get a bit more deeper stretch, grab hands, interlace your finger, and either stay here or open, close your armpit, open your armpit, close, open, close, open, close, and release. Then now I just simply like to massage my armpit, around armpit by using my hand to grab your muscle, serratus anterior muscle. Really, it's not too strong. Nice, easy massage. Maybe underneath shoulder blades here. And now let's do the other side. Massage serratus anterior muscle. To create flow. Nice flow on your limb. Maybe around the shoulder blade. Good. Okay, now let's take wider, longer stance for warrior 2, Virabhadrasana B. One toe straight, back toes slightly in, 45-degree in. And then by doing warrior 2, we are activating this muscle. By activating this muscle, we are creating flow on the lymphs around groin. Okay, so inhale, bend from knee, bring your arm straight and look straight. Inhale, exhale for 1. Let's take between 5 to 8 breaths here. 2, back heel pressing down. 3, 4, make sure arm, shoulders, one line. And 5, keep your knee bent. Let's take peaceful warrior or reverse warrior. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulders down, this shoulder down. And 5. Hey, back to warrior 2. Keep your knee bent. Extended side angle. 1. If your neck is okay, look up. 2, 3. Relax your shoulder. 4. Heel to the tip of your fingers. 1 long line. 4. And make sure forehead higher than chin to keep your neck aligned. And 5. Back to warrior 2, relax. Now, simply turn your toes opposite way. Let's do the other side. And inhale, shoulder blades together. Open your chest. 1, 2, 3. Keep your knee 90-degree angle. 4. Shoulder blades together. Open one line. And 5. Peaceful warrior. 1, 2. Keep your knee bent. 3, 4, and 5. Back to warrior 2. Extended side angle. 1, 2. Try not to collapse this waist. This waist lifting up. 4 and 5. Warrior 2 and back to straight center. Okay, now keep wide stance. And then keep your hips underneath your head and slowly bring your hips down. Stay there. And one elbow to the knee. Extend opposite arm. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now center, little bit pause. Inhale, exhale, bend your knee again. Don't drop your hips. Hips forward. Don't drop your knee. Collapse your knee. Knees to your toes. And 1. Keep breathing. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, toes, feet together, heels, toes together, hands heart center. And soften your gaze or close your eyes. This sequence is designed to promote healthy limbs. I recommend you do it as often as you need. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!